Okay, so here we are over at Tom's, and he's going to show us how to make a Bloody Mary. Go ahead.
Okay, we start off with a little celery salt. Just a couple of tissues in there. There you go. Maybe 3 or 4. Then we do a little. Depends on how spicy you want it, but typically right in the middle of the road, maybe 3 drops.
Of Tabasco?
Tabasco, excuse me.
Okay.
Right. Okay, then we gotta do a little something with the Worcestershire sauce. There we go. Just a couple of shots of this Worcestershire.
Couple shots of Leon Perrins Worcestershire, or your favorite Worcestershire brand.
Correct. Okay,
And
then we go to the next ingredient, which is dill pickle juice.
dill pickle juice.
So I like Clausen's is my favorite.
Okay.
Just a little, not a lot, just a couple drops. That's a lot. That's a lot. I mean, you're gonna find out. Eric's gonna tell me what he thinks of that, but typically not that much. All right, so we got that. Now we're gonna go to the finest call.
Did you put salt in there?
I did not.
Not yet?
I don't.
That just
Oh.
happened to be out for the reason. Of
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, because really the salt is the dill
got it.
pickle.
I'll give you some good shot of that.
And now we're getting to basically your favorite Bloody Mary mix.
That's correct. So, and this is one of them. There's many that I have here, but this is one that I don't like to have too many open because they don't last that long. So I start with one, I finish it off. So right now I'm doing the finest call. It's just their premium Bloody Mary mix.
The finest call. That's pretty awesome.
It's pretty good stuff. Yes.
And does this have any kind of heat in it? The
It
finest
does
call.
not. It does not. That's why you can buy different brands. The Five Pepper's got heat to it. There's what they call Kick-Ass. This is not them, but this Texas style has a little more heat to it. The way I added heat to yours is through the Tabasco.
Okay.
So we did there. Now we're going to go to the little Zing Zang. So we do about half of the finest call, and then we do half of the Zing Zang.
Wow.
Okay.
So that really is bringing the best of both worlds, going with finest call and Zing Zang. It kind of brings out more
It does.
taste to it, huh?
It does. But then the next thing I like to do is mixing is the key to this. Now, I have not added any vodka at this point, but I just like to get this mixed up first. And then after we've mixed it back and forth here.
Have you found that any particular vodka matters?
No. I mean, certainly a more expensive brand is going to be probably good or better, but you won't notice, at least I don't, because it's overpowering with the tomato juice and everything else.
Okay.
Now, maybe the next morning you might. But, and after we've done this a few times, I like to give it a little taste. I'm going to try that out there, Gabby. Now that's without vodka.
Wow, that's really good.
Okay? So now we want to go add your vodka. We have this brand of Tito's, handmade.
Tito's handmade.
Yep. Now, I typically, or you probably should have like a mixing, but I just kind of look at how it's going up, and I say that's looking pretty good right there. I see.
About right there.
Yeah, right there. You add as to what you feel you can handle. Then we go back to the mixing.
Back to the mixing.
We don't want to taste vodka in that first, swig. It's just mixing that thing in there. And some people like to put ice in before they mix, and then kind of adds a little something, kind of waters it down a little bit as you're mixing. I did this one without the ice. Okay, now we're going to add some ice. Put that in there. And there you go. Now, it's not quite done. I mean, you can put a lot of fixings I say food wise on this could be, celery, carrots, shrimp, beef sticks, cheese sticks, small sliders, the whole works. But we just did a generic Bloody Mary here. All right, there you go.
Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make an awesome Bloody Mary. Thanks, Tom.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.